Alright, hello? Alright. I scrambled it exactly like it said on the video. Uh, Looks like you should start on the right side. It's already got the green side and the orange side looking good for it. So, I'm gonna time myself. You can time yourselves or me or whatever. Okay, let me get it right where I want it. Perfect. Okay. Less than it was about 2 minutes 43 seconds point 73. Now that is about like hundreds of times slower than the world record, but that's a record for me. Um, yeah, that's a pretty good time. It's fixed, and I didn't memorize it. You could tell that I didn't memorize the thing and just did it backwards. I just solved it how I always solve it. Um, but less than 3 minutes is pretty good for me. So thank you for watching.